Are you looking to start a business in California but don't know where to start? Well, I'm here to tell you that starting a business in California is easier than you think. My name is Alina from Collective, the formation, tax, and accounting solution for self-employed people. In this video, I'm going to go over how you can start and maintain your California LLC in just 7 easy steps. An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company, and it's a great way to protect your personal assets while providing tax benefits and flexibility. Here's how to start your own California LLC. Step 1. Choose the name for your LLC. First, you'll choose a distinct and memorable name for your California LLC. Keep in mind that the same name you choose can't be the same as the name of another LLC in California. You can look to see if your chosen name is already in use by searching for the name in the California Secretary of State's online business search database. Step 2. Designate a registered agent. A registered agent is someone who receives official legal documents for your LLC. You or any other adult who lives in California can serve as an LLC's registered agent, or you can use a registered agent service. Step 3. File your articles of organization. To actually form your LLC, you have to file articles of organization with the California Secretary of State. You'll provide your LLC's name and address, the purpose of your LLC, information on how your LLC will be managed, and the same name and address of your registered agent. You can file your article of organization online, by mail, or in person, and you'll pay a $70 filing fee. Step 4. File Statement of Information. Within 90 days after filing your articles of organization, you're required to file a Statement of Information, or an SOI, with the California Secretary of State. The SOI includes your LLC's address, registered agent's name and address, and the names and addresses of your LLC members. You'll pay a $20 filing fee. Step 5. Get an Employer Identification Number, or an EIN. An EIN is a 9-digit number that the IRS assigns to your business. You'll use this number for tax filing and reporting purposes, both with the IRS and the state of California, and to open a business bank account. Step 6. Pay your annual franchise tax. California LLCs must pay an annual minimum franchise tax of $800. The first year you're an LLC, this tax will be due on the 15th day of the 4th month after the date you established your LLC. In the following years, it will be due on or around April 15th. You must pay this tax even if your LLC doesn't earn any income, and depending on how much your LLC earns in gross income, you may be subject to additional taxes. Step 7. File a Statement of Information biannually. You'll file a Statement of Information every 2 years and pay the $25 filing fee. And there you have it, folks. 7 simple steps to forming an LLC in California. If you need more help setting up your LLC, go to collective.com and learn how we can help you with your business, formation, taxes, accounting, and bookkeeping. And if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe below, and be sure to check out the additional resources linked in the description. Thanks for watching.